Today we are going to talk about homework for problem 1. The problem is find and draw capital FYY and FYY in terms of capital FX and FXX, and give us y equals gx equal to 4 probability. First one is for x smaller than 0, 2, and second one is for 1 bigger than x bigger equal to 0 is 0, and the third one is for 2 bigger equal to x bigger equal to 1 is minus x plus 1. The last one is for x bigger than 2, it's minus 1. We can use the clues to homework 4 to solve this question. So at first, I show in the homework, I have a graph that on the left side there's like a 2 and on the top, and then the right side is at minus 1 and 2 for the x, minus 1 for the y. So when 1 bigger than y bigger equal to minus y, thus we can get capital YY. There's have 2 probability. One is y smaller than minus 1 will be 0, and y bigger than 1 will be 1. And that's for the 1 bigger than y bigger is equal to minus 1, and y equals minus 1, the probability for y equals minus 1 equal to probability x bigger than 2 equals 1 minus fx2. And when y equals 0, the probability y equals 0 equals to probability 1 bigger than x bigger than 0 equal to capital X1 minus capital Fx0. And for y equals 2, the probability y equals 2 equals probability x smaller than 0 and equals to capital Fx0. And in minus 1, 0, y equals minus x plus 1. Fyy equals fxx over 0 over gx, which we can get the answer is fx 1 minus y, and we get 5 probability for the fyy. 1 is when y equals minus 1, it will be f1 minus fx2 with y plus 1. For 0 bigger than y bigger than minus 1 will be fx1 minus y. For y equals 0 will be fx1 minus fx0 and y. For y equals 2 will be fx0 and y minus 2. The last one will be 0 otherwise. And for the capital F y, there's 4 probability. First is 0 minus y smaller than minus 1, and 1 minus capital Fx 1 minus y will be minus 1 smaller equal to 0, y smaller than 0, and 1 minus capital Fx0 will be 0 smaller than equal y smaller than 2. The last one will be 1, and it will be 2 smaller equal to y. And for minus 1 smaller equal y equals 0, the capital Fyy equal to probability capital Y smaller equal to y and equal to probability 1 minus x smaller equal to y equals to probability minus x smaller equal to y minus 1 equal to probability x bigger equal to 1 minus y equal to 1 minus probability x smaller equal to 1 minus y, which we can get the answer as 1 minus capital Fx 1 minus y. And also we can see, as we saw in the clues to homework 4, the graph I showed in the last, I also drew out on my homework.